that rock. Nice. Round number one, here we go. Nice. He is not finished. All right, here we go. He's the lead. Round number one. Yeah, put those movements to work. Uh-oh. Commando, what? Oh, B-Boy Honey coming in, pockets out. Kiss the rabbit now. Okay. Okay, here we go. Round number two. B-Boy Honey, come on. People are on the floor, round two. Oh, oh, B-Boy Chia right in your face. Let's go, man. Give it up when you had your turn. Let's go. B-Boy Chia. My man was wrestling out there in the grass or something. I don't know what to do. All right, here we go. Chia, go on the floor, man. You had your turn. B-Boy, hold on. Oh, watch out, watch out. Scooby, give it to my boy. Oh, you want the microphone. Here we go. Elite Crew, round three. Nice. All right. Oh, man. That's not fair. Come on. You didn't have to go after the shortest dude. Come on now. You act like Chia's 7 foot tall or something. Come on, man. Here we go. Round number four. In his mind, he's 7 foot tall. 10 foot tall. He was skating. Technical on him. Oh. Back up, back up. Let him do his thing, boom. Back up. Here we go, round four, right now. B-Boy Honey. That's right, here we go, round five. Let's go down right here. B-Boy Drew, round five. B-Boy Drew, round five. Very nice. Oh, he said, I'll wind you up, man. Let's go now, right here, Elite Crew. Here we go. Last round of the battle. B-Boy Chia. Oh yeah, that's right to win. Oh yeah. B-Boy Chia on the floor, round five. Nice. Show your love, 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 party people. Show your love. All right, that's what's up. Hey guys, we're gonna let everybody know that we have a lot of vendors going on. A lot of stuff is for free. Make sure you guys check out the vendors over here by the Dopest Threads. Catch a flyer. Make sure you guys figure out what the next event is coming up next weekend. Right down the street. I think they're pushing this wood floor thing right off of it. You better watch that. Okay.
There was just an open seat.
Winner goes on to the finals. Who's it gonna be? I don't know, but we're about to find out. Let's get a winner on 3. Judges 1, judges 2, judges 3. Moving on for the love. For the love. Excuse me, my man. Excuse me. Are you okay? I'm not. I'm 200 plus pounds, man.